Welcome to T Classify. Today I'll be solving WAEC 2017 Chemistry Theory. Question number 1A, Roman figure 1. Says, what is an acid-base indicator? What is an acid-base indicator? Roman figure 2. Give one examples of an acid-base indicator. Now, answer to the question 1A, Roman figure 1. We are asked to give the meaning of acid-base indicator. Simply acid indicator, acid-base indicator. An acid-base indicator is either a weak organic acid or base which gives different colors in an acid or basic medium. Then you can still define it as an acid-base indicator is an organic dye which changes color according to the pH or hydrogen ion concentration of the solution. You just know that here we are just mixing or rearranging some words we use for the first definition. So organic dyes which changes color according to the pH or hydrogen ion concentration of the solution. Then we have to give the examples of an acid-base indicator. Just one example. Then we are having so many indicators. There are so many indicators we are using in titration. And in the indicators are: number 1, we have methyl orange as number 1. Number 2, we have methyl red. It's one of the indicator. We have phenolphthalein as one of the indicator. We have methyl yellow as one of the indicator. Then we have methyl violet. It's still one of the indicator we are using. Then we have litmus paper or solution. We have litmus paper or solution as one of the indicator. Then we still have bromo-thymol blue as one of the indicator used. So we can just pick any one out of the listed indicator. Acid-base indicator, as we are asked in 1A Roman figure 1. Acid-base indicator is either a weak organic acid or base. It's either a weak organic acid or base which gives different colors, so it gives different colors in acidic or basic, or basic medium, or we can still say that an acid-base indicator, an acid-base indicator is organic dyes. So we can still refer to it as organic dyes. So organic dyes, so it is referred to as organic dyes which changes colors. So it changes colors so it is referred to as organic dyes which changes colors according to the pH. Changes color according to the pH, or hydrogen ions, or hydrogen ion concentration, hydrogen ion concentration of the solution. So it's referred to as organic dye which changes color according to the pH or hydrogen ion concentration of the solution. Then we are asked for the examples of an acid-base indicator in Roman figure 2. Then we have so many indicators. Number 1, we have methyl orange. methyl orange as one of the indicator. Then we still have methyl red. We have methyl red, so it's one of the indicator. We have phenolphthalein as one of the indicator. Phenolphthalein. We have litmus. We have litmus paper. Litmus paper or solution. Then another examples of indicator is methylfolate. Then another example is bromothymol blue. Bromothymol blue. So it's one of the examples of indicator. So we can just pick any one out of the listed indicator above. So because we are just asked to list only one, just give only one example of an acid base indicator. So anyone you choose out of these 6 is correct for the question asked. So if you like this video, click like and subscribe for more videos. Then you can still visit our website www.educateafricans.com for more videos on WAEC 2017 chemistry theory, past questions and solution. Thank you. God bless you.